Hey guys, every year I do 9 weeks of Sai Baba Puja. It gives me strength and a sense of positivity. So I continue to do this. I fast for on every Thursday for 9 weeks. Normally I give Shira and Laddu, but Pooja has been so sweet. She's actually given me a healthy cookie recipe that I can serve for prasad and also enjoy at other times too. So here goes. It's absolutely simple. So you have jaggery, then cinnamon, and then oil goes in. So easy. And then mix everything in and then slowly add in the almond flour. So that, there goes that. So, and then she's given in her instructions that, you know, if it's crumbly, all what you need to do is to add a bit of water. So here goes the water, hot water. So we can make a nice cookie paste. Make sure your hands are clean, sanitized. So this is the cookie paste. And all that you need to do is to put it in the oven. There you go. It goes at 160 degrees Celsius. It's very important, and for 15 minutes. Thank you.